Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Msshantay and today I'll be showing you guys how to create this um do it yourself 3D cubic twist. Yeah, 3D cubic. I'm going to be showing y'all how to do it. It was simple with a little braided by the side. Yeah, so this is how it looks and I'll be showing you guys how to create this look. So today I'm going to start by securing this thread around my chair. Then I'm using this Xpression here and it's in 1B. And I'm going to cut it in half and I'm going to use the longer half of this here. So now I'm going to section the hair and I'm going to take off this portion that I want to use and how thick I want it. So this is how thick I want it, and now I'm going to create some ends on it. And I'm just going to use this pin to secure it, and I'm going to section it in two, and I'm just going to create a two-strand twist. So I'm just going to use this Perline black hair grower and I'm going to use it on the hair. So I'm just going to do the two-strand twist all the way to the end of the hair. And I'm just going to do it to the other side, and the thing to this is I'm just creating one long twist. Yeah, so now this is me showing you that you don't twist it to the right, you're going to twist it to the left, and twisting it to the left you're going to stretch it upward so that it is tight and it's secure and it's like a, so it looks like a plait. To twist and stretch up, twist and stretch up, twist and stretch up. So to use hair glue to secure the end. And this is what it should look like. So guys, what you need to do is twist, stretch it up, twist, stretch it up, twist, stretch it up so that it look like a plait. It's me showing you guys the method again, and that is twist, stretch up, twist, stretch up, twist, stretch up. Yeah, So now I'm using my Tresemme conditioner and I'm going to pour some hot water on this hair, and the purpose for the conditioner is for the hair to become softer, and I think that is the purpose of it, for it to be softer, and also and also to let the ends be straighter. So that's what I did. I put some hot water on this hair so that the flyaways can lay down in some conditioned water so the hair can be soft as well. And yeah. So this is what it should look like after you hot water it. So here's what the ends look like. So So now I'm going to use my crochet needle and I'm going to push it through my hair and hook the crochet hair that I made, and I'm going to pull it through my hair. And I'm going to pull it through my hair. And then I'm going to use the hair, and then I'm going to push the hair through it and tie it. So I'm going to push the crochet needle through my hair and then hook the crochet hair and then pull it through my hair again and then tie it at the end. And I'm just going to continue this method all the way to the top until I'm finished. So thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye. Bye guys.